Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Last time we had our cat going and getting some sources of milk, and it's using this block next because we had it getting the source of milk here. But this time what we want is we want that overlap again. So go and grab that overlap. This time we want our player is going to overlap with the milk. We want something to appear. Now, this is up to you if you want to go and make an animation. You can go and make an animated thing. It could be a dog, but I haven't got time to draw a dog or animate a dog. So what I want really is, I want it to be something that's in the assets already. So I'm going to go and have a look in there. But I need it to be an enemy. So let's go and set an enemy in here. So when it overlaps with the milk, set. I don't know what. Let's go and have a look to see what we've got. Let's go to my assets. Let's go and check it out. So into the gallery. Sorry, let's go into the gallery. We can go and get something that's animated, I suppose. We can go and grab these. Let's go and get, do we have a bat of some kind or something like that? I think I've seen bats in here. So I'm going to settle on the bat here. So I'm going to go and grab, are these numbered? Bat 0, bat 1. Yeah, I'll go and choose that one because I can always animate it. And then grab all the others that are in those frames. If you go to the gallery, look, and we look at the bat there, you can see this one's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's got 7 frames to it. So I'm going to go and do that. I use the bat as kind of enemy, and I want it to come and chase. As soon as I get the source of milk, I want my sprite to come and follow me. But before that, let's go and use the animation. My sprite, my bat, isn't it? Let's go to my sprite. It's going to rename this variable. So new variable. Call this bat. And then change, because the things will appear here, the little icons, the little black icons, the triangles, will say you've got the wrong name. So we'll go to bat, and then we had it loop on, and then if we want to go and get these, so let's go into the gallery, and we want we have that one made for us. This one's smiling. Yeah, we want this one. We can always flip them over later on. So if they're coming towards us from the right hand side, they're going to be facing left, and they attack us from the left hand side, they're going to be facing right. Let's go and play it and make sure it's actually. Yes. Let's go and turn this to 1000. Can we put 1000 in there? Is it 200? Did we put it down to 100? Let's go and see what it's like at 100. Yes, that's more like it at 100. Right, so 100, it's called the bat, and then have that on there. So we'll have the bat appearing as soon as we get the source of milk, but it's where it actually appears is the big question. So what we want is, where is our sprite going to be? So we want to set the position of bat to be, as we want to be in the position of Cato. So I started to play around it and put it at 80 in here. So I've got Cato, and so I've got some maths inside here. So I've got my position of my sprite, which is here, my sprite X, which is going to be Cato, like that, and then that can go into here, like there, so you get Cato. Position X is 80X, which is 80 that way, no, this way, whoops, sorry, this way, and then drop that into here, and then Y is going to be Cato, so you can duplicate this, it's going to be plus 80 on the Y. Change that to Y. So every time you get a source of milk, it should appear. So let's just go and play here. So I know there's a source of milk down here, so it should, as soon as I overlap with that, there should be a bat that's appeared. The bat hasn't appeared. Why hasn't the bat appeared? Let's go and fix this. First of all, we should have a destroy other sprite at the top. So destroy other sprite there, and then that should, we go into here and go and get our source of milk, it should disappear. Good, that works. Perhaps I don't have the follow. Let's go and search for this. Follow. There we go. Follow. Set cat bat to follow catto. Let's just go and play and test this. This is live, folks. There we go. It's appeared. It's because now what we want next is something to happen, and we want them to disappear. Right. Go and play test that. You can use my code here. That bat's going to become very annoying. We should just have a destroy bat underneath, and we should be ready to rock and roll with our lives and points. All right, go and have a go at that. Make sure you've got your character being chased, and we'll see what happens in the next one. All right, play test, have fun, good luck.